Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be playing with the new Morphe 39A palette. This palette is so gigantic, it doesn't even fit in the screen with me. So I am going to slowly glide the palette across the screen so that way you guys can see all of the fabulous colors. There are just so many amazing looks that you can create with this palette right here. I am going to have a boatload of fun using it. So without further ado, if you want to see how I created this look right here, then just keep watching. Alright, so I have already primed my eye and I am now going to set it using the color Vanilla by MAC. Now using the 39A palette, I am first going in with the color Bear and using this as my first transition color. Just so you know, the palette's protective sheet does come with the names of the shadows on it. Next up is the color Stroke, and I am using this to define my crease a bit more. And now taking the color Frame and deepening that crease color some more. Now using the color Artistic, which is a super gorgeous bronze shimmer, I am going to apply this on my lid, bringing it 3/4 of the way out. For liner, I am using Maybelline gel liner, and I have to admit, the great thing about a look like this is when you fudge up your liner and it keeps getting bigger and bigger, it's like, bam, I meant to do that. Now, don't worry if it looks messy, we are going to blend that out in just a second. Drag the liner across your upper lash line like you normally would. Now to blend the liner, I am picking up the color Muse and blending it into the liner and into the bronze for a seamless finish. With a flat brush, I am taking that same color and buffing it across my upper lash line. Using NYX Liquid Crystal Liner in the color Crystal Gold, I am lining the top of my wing and bringing that glitter inward. For my waterline, I am using MAC Kohl Liner. And now picking up the color Bear, I am going to smoke out my lower lash line. And topping that with the color Stroke. Now for a pop of color under my eye, I am going back in using that glitter liner once again. For mascara, I am using my all-time favorite Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. And for lashes, I am using Koko lashes in the style Stella. Using the color Vanilla by MAC, I am going to highlight under my brow bone. And now for some inner eye pop, I am using Wet n Wild highlighter in Golden Flower Crown, and I'm also using a damp brush. For lips, I am first lining them with Italia lip liner in the color Brown. And now filling them in with Cosmetics Lippie in the color Cake. So this right here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If so, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!